I recently built something for my coaching clients that I was certain would need a developer, but it didn't. It needed one afternoon in Claude AI, a fully interactive portal, custom weekly modules, built in AI tools, progress tracking, knowledge checks, all designed for my 4-week bootcamp. You can see I did this for the Get Paid to Teach bootcamp back in April, did it again for the Invisible Leads bootcamp, and even the one I'm doing right now, the Silent Offer Bootcamp. Zero coding, no tech team, just a clear vision and a few good prompts, which I'm going to give you in the description below. So if you run a group coaching program and you've wanted to give your clients a real experience, but you didn't have a developer on speed dial, stay with me. I'm going to show you exactly how I pulled this off step by step. And if you're a Kajabi user like me, I've got a secret hack for you. So stick around for that. So let's jump right into it. So these are the portal pages, and you can see they've got a progress tracker at the top. We've got the 4 weeks, and they can check off to-dos. The resource hub has the overview section, a schedule of your calls or your Zoom calls, a resources section, flashcards. And then if we scroll down, each week has the setup. It tells you what we're going to do this week, has a place for you to add a link for the replay. It has a little visual that it creates for a teaching section. You can have buttons that lead to maybe custom GPTs that you create, or if you have a workbook or you have a link that you want to reference. And then I have a your answer section. And again, Claude came up with majority of this. And I'm going to show you how I fed it some questions so that it knew exactly what to create. So it's got some simple questions, and as they answer these questions, it saves it for them. Then it gets down here to this week's actions where they can check the boxes off. And I usually try to provide 3 to 5 tasks per week during our bootcamp, which is all about implementation. So as they check these off, then Claude even added a fun little element of confetti, which is really cool. Then down here's a little knowledge check. It has a little quiz that it creates, little multiple choice, and it'll even score them 3 simple questions. And then it'll actually, when they complete the 5 tasks, it gives them a badge, which is pretty cool. And I've done this for the Invisible Leads Bootcamp on how to get leads, the Silent Offer Bootcamp on how to get coaching clients without sales calls, and my students are loving it. So let's jump into Claude. I'm going to show you how I started from the very first one. Sometimes it's easier to show than to tell, and that's exactly what we're going to do. And by the way, again, if you want the prompt, the master prompt, it's in the link in the description below. It'll save you lots of time. For me, I was a little bit back and forth in the beginning to get it how I wanted it, and now it runs like clockwork. So let's jump back into Claude. All right, so here's where the conversation started. I said, I'd like for you to interview me and ask me multiple choice questions on how to build this resource hub HTML page. It was just an idea at this point. Some of the elements off the top of my head would include the ability for a student to tick boxes that they completed task along a progress bar that is visually stimulating and exciting because they're getting closer to accomplishing the goal from the paid workshop. I also want to have at the top maybe a few big picture overview items like an infographic, flashcards, a quiz. I'm going to be taking some elements from Notebook LM if there's a way to incorporate those as well. Each of the 4 weeks needs to have its own section, like a simple infographic that explains the big picture idea. Some resources might be like links. Anything else that you think would be effective in creating a dynamic learning environment that is built towards action and progress, or even the ability to gamify it. So that was the vision. And here's the beautiful thing. For us visionaries, we don't need to know how to be a developer. If we have the vision and we can articulate our vision, we have tools like Claude that can surprise us. And that's what happened for me. So it asked me some questions, and I won't take time to read through these, but it asked me some multiple questions. And then I think I gave it the workbook from the recent workshop that I did. It was a PDF that had more information about the topic. So one caveat here, if you're going to do this, you're going to either need to dictate out some information about what you teach or feed it any PDFs, your frameworks, anything like that. All right, let's get back into it. So the first one that it came up with looks like this, and it was pretty good right off the bat. It had a lot of what I wanted to have. It had this overview section, the schedule, resources, flashcards where they could come in some of the key points. They could flip these around. It makes it fun and interactive. So it wasn't too bad. So I had some back and forth with it. And this is the beautiful thing. If the output you get in the beginning isn't what you wanted, it's okay. Keep telling it, not this, get rid of that. Let's add that. And so I'll only point out a few kind of back and forth in here. One question I had that you might have is, will it save the progress for each student? So if they come back later to that link, it still has the progress saved. And the answer is yes, as long as they don't refresh their browser. There is one caveat of needing to host this, and it's real simple. You can do it for free. Stick around. I'm going to show you. It takes 2 seconds to do this. So we'll talk about that here in just a second. If you're wondering, how do I host this? Where do I put this? So at first, that was what I was trying to figure out. And I thought maybe I could embed it into a Kajabi page. And then that didn't look just right. So then the key was Claude recommended that the easiest way for me to host this was to use a service called Netlify. And let me show you actually what Netlify looks like. All right, here I am in Netlify. It's just the word net, Lify. It's so easy. You can even start with a free account. I'm on a paid account now, but I've added more projects. Come over here, you click add new project, and then essentially you are just uploading the file. You can drag and drop it. So I'll show you the file that if I come over here to my project folder, which is Bootcamp Coach, it's an index.html file. And all you do is you just drag and drop it over here. I'm not going to do that on this one because it's not the right project. Once you do, within 3 seconds, it's done. And then you have your link right here. And this is the link that makes it live. Super simple, free, and amazing. This is the link that you will share with your students so that as they come back here and they complete things and check things off and add answers, it'll save all of their information. Pretty awesome. All right, let's get back in here. Let's see. So one of the other things that I wanted it to do later on is I wanted it to lock down the future weeks. I didn't want to give my students full access and allow them to get too far ahead because there's an element of mentoring and guiding, and I wanted them to complete things first. So what I did go in there and do is I said, once I had my 4 weeks laid out, I said, Claude, can you lock down weeks 2, 3, and 4 for me? Took 20 seconds, boom, created a lock around it, still showed it, but there was none of the content was shown. And then I just drag and dropped that HTML file into Netlify to update the page. And so every week I would come into that same chat in Claude and I say, can you unlock week 2 for me? And if there were links that I wanted to add, I would say, hey, can we add this link? Can we add this button? And so know that you can still begin to build it even through your cohort or bootcamp that you're doing with your students or clients. And so each week I would just say unlock week 3, and then it would create the file. I'd drag and drop it into Netlify, and instantly it was updated. And so those are the key parts to this. Once you have this, and again, you can get the full prompt down in the description below, it'll make it so much easier. You'll be able to create these. You could do these for workshops. You could do these for live virtual events. You can create these for your own 4-week, 6-week, 12-week cohorts. You could do it for one-on-one coaching clients. That you're any process where you're taking them from where they are to where they want to be, and it's a very step-by-step process. This kind of resource is amazing, and our students are absolutely loving it. And the last part that I want to share with you, that for some of you Kajabi users out there, you might be wondering, how do I get this inside my Kajabi? Here's my community for my insider program. And if you notice over here, we have Bootcamp Hub. When we click on that, notice what happens. It's right here inside of my community. They don't have to go to a separate page. They don't have to remember the link. It's right here. And if you use communities on Kajabi, this is a super slick way of doing these. I do one bootcamp a month, every single month in my insider program, helping them build toward a 100K business as a writer or coach. And so every month we're tackling a new project that we install in our business. And so the way that you do that is you just create a custom page. And in that custom page, you copy and paste the link you got from Netlify, which is right over here. You copy and paste this link right over into your Kajabi. If I can find it, here it is. And when you do, it's going to just open up beautifully right inside here. Everything is still interactive. They're able to come and check the boxes, fill in the information, and it saves for them. So I'm curious, what do you think about this? Is this something that elevates the value and quality that you produce for the people that you're mentoring, you're coaching, you're helping? And do you like this idea? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget that the whole prompt that I use now to build one of these literally in 10 minutes is down in the description below. And finally, if you're a writer or coach and you want to know what does it take to build a 100K business, there's actually 9 core projects you need to install in your business. And I did a complete video called the $1 Million Messenger Plan, and you can check that video out over here. We'll see you over in that video.